Manipur schools and colleges closed amid heavy rain and floods. Ek Yatra Ek Yashogata, Bal Bharati bids farewell to Principal L.V. Sengal. Marshall University President donates $50 million to erase students' debt. IIT Roorkee Director on career trends. Students prefer IT and finance over core industries. Arunachal Pradesh to get second medical college at Namsai with 100 MBBS seats. Manipur schools, colleges and universities remain closed due to worsening floods and heavy rainfall. The IMD has forecast more rain over the next 48 hours. An iron bridge over the Thompal River was swept away, cutting off connectivity. Rescue teams are evacuating residents to relief centers, though camps like Wanjing Kodampokai Sports Complex are also waterlogged. JNIMS Hospital in Imphal has ordered the evacuation of inpatients in halted new admissions as water levels rise. Nagaland has also reported widespread damage from continuous rain. Authorities remain on high alert as conditions may worsen further. On 9 September 2025, Bal Bharati Public School Gangaram Hospital Marg bid an emotional farewell to Principal Mr. Lakesh Veer Sengal, who retired after 25 years of service. Joining in 2000, he elevated the school to the top national ranks and contributed to CBSE, NPSE and education reforms. The ceremony, attended by dignitaries including CES leadership, alumni and PTI members, featured a red carpet welcome, cultural performance, photo montage and tributes from the staff, students and ex-students. Mr. Sengal, joined by his family, planted Gulmohar and Tulsi saplings to symbolize continuity. A newsletter chronicle font remembrance was released in his honor. New principal Mr. Deepak Dua promised to uphold his legacy as Mr. Sengal departed amidst tears, applause and blessings. Marshall University President Brad D. Smith and his wife Alice Smith has donated $50 million, the most significant gift in the university's history, to expand the Marshall for All program aiming to eliminate student debt. The initiative, launched in 2022, offers 2 tracks: full tuition coverage for West Virginia families earning below $65,000 and depth-free degree pathways with real-world work experience for select students from West Virginia and nearby countries. Serving 13,000 students, the program's long-term goal is for all graduates to be debt-free by the university's 2037 bicentennial. University leaders call the gift transformative, while Smith emphasized their mission to level the playing field and West Virginia and Appalachia by expanding access to equitable higher education. IIT Roorkee Director Professor Kamal Kishore Plant highlighted a shift in student preferences, noticing that fewer graduates opt for core sections like mechanical, electrical, chemical, and process industries. Instead, most lean toward IT, banking, finance, and consultancy roles, attracted by higher salaries and job comfort. While average packages in core industries stand at 20 to 25 lakh rupees, multinational tech firms over up to 1 to 2 crore rupees. Professor Plant stressed the need to guide students and parents about long-term career benefits in core industries, which are vital for India's GDP growth. He also clarified that placement rates remain strong at over 85% of those registered despite an overall dip. Many students are now pursuing entrepreneurship, startups and higher studies. Arunachal Pradesh has begun work on its second medical college at Namsai with an estimated cost of rupees 356.6 crore. Developed under the public-private partnership model, the college will offer 100 MBBS seats, raising the state's total to 200. The project will use the existing 100-bed district hospital, which will be expanded with 320 new beds, taking the capacity to 420. The state's first medical college, Tomoriba Institute of Health and Medical Sciences, started with 50 seats and now offers 100. Chief Minister Prema Khandu announced the Namsai College plan last year with another proposal for Pasigat. The new institution is expected to be completed within 7 years with tenders floated to finalize private partners.